my channel. I've been super busy, but I want to apologize to you guys. I get all it takes is I got all your messages, I got all your requests. I am ready now and it's time to get the show on the road. So today we're going to be preparing some cornmeal porridge. I like my cornmeal porridge very creamy. I might not do it the way you guys do it, but someone who would like to do it with mostly cream, and I'll do it just like I do it. Crystally, I don't forget your donuts. I am working on it. I promise you. And Greg, you requested turned cornmeal and saltfish rundown. For those of you who do not know what turned cornmeal is, it's the same thing as polenta. So stay tuned, guys, you don't want to miss it. So today we're going to be using some cornmeal. That's our main ingredient. We have our vanilla or mixed spice, salt, Betty's sweet condensed milk, and I'm going to be adding some Lasco and coconut milk. My coconut milk was frozen, that's why it looks like this, but it's taking its time to defrost. And we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope everyone is practicing their safety protocols. Wear your mask, walk with a hand sanitizer, stay safe. So now that my water has come to boiling temperature, I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt to my water. Stir that in a bit. So now we're going to gather all our dry ingredients together. I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of cornmeal. 3. 1 more, 4. Now I'm gonna add some vanilla to my water. When I add this to the water, everything just blends in perfectly. You could also add it in the cornmeal mixture if you like. So as you can see, my mixed spice consists of allspice, ginger, cloves, and cinnamon. All the bad boys are in this. Everything is combined. Now you just want to take a spoon and just combine all of those together until all the colors look like one. For smooth results, use your whisk. So now I'm going to whisk this out using 1 cup of water to avoid lumps in my porridge. So now that the lumps are out, we're going to go ahead and add this to the pot. Okay, so it's 2 cups of water in the pot, boiling temperature. Then it's 1 cup of water to whisk out the dry ingredients with 4 tablespoons of cornmeal. I don't waste anything. I want to get everything in the pot, so I'm going to wash out this bowl right about now. Due to the fact that I'm using a lot of cream and it's sweet, I'm only going to be using 3 tablespoons of sugar. For the condensed milk, I just listen to the spirit of the ancestors and use my taste buds. When they say to stop, I stop.
Say what you wanna say to me.